Nvidia, as you know, will be reporting earnings today after hours, November 21st. That's less than 30 minutes. And so in this video, we will follow up with our Nvidia earnings analysis video from yesterday. If you haven't seen that, make sure you do. We'll put a link at the end of this video. We wanted to confirm the data and then trade Nvidia based on the data. And so we'll go over our trading strategy for Nvidia in this video as well. So the January 2024's, these call options were the ones we were analyzing yesterday, and also these put options at the 425, all for January 2024. You can see that for the January 2024s, when we go to the strike prices now, 425, you can see that the open interest now is greater than yesterday, meaning that there is a higher probability that the put options that were being bought yesterday were opening trades, which is bearish. Okay, and when we go to the 530 strike calls, the open interest is also greater than yesterday, and so we believe this is also a higher probability of buying these calls to open, which is bullish. Okay, now because we have bullish and bearish trades from this data, we have to take a look at the cost, right? We know that the cost of the 530 strike calls in comparison to the 425 strike puts is a lot greater, right? The price was a lot greater. There was more quantity as well. So we will be leaning bullish on our trading strategy, okay? And we will hedge as well to the downside because these puts were bearish, okay? So the way we are trading earnings, okay, we are going to the November 24th, 3 days away, and end of this week. And so for our hedge position, you can see here it is. Our position is here highlighted: 470, 475, and 467.5. Okay, so what we did for this, for each of our trades, sold 2 of the 470s puts. We bought the 475 put and the 467.5 put. And when we add this to the trade, you can see it here. And then this is, we're going to our bullish trade. You can see here our positions here: 530 strike price, 532.5, and 525. Okay, so what we did was for each trade, we sold 2 of the 530 strike calls. We bought the 532.5 strike call and the 525 strike call. Okay, and when we analyze the trade, you can see now this is combined now. So as we had mentioned, we are leaning bullish. So how did we do that? For the call options here, we had 2 for every one of the bearish put butterflies. Okay, these are butterfly trades. Okay, you can see this here, a double butterfly here. YIF Nvidia at $500, $499 here, drops. You could see the profit loss here. Actually, will not be a loss because this blue line is above 0, right? The 0 line represents profit, Anything above that zero line is profit. Anything below is a loss. And because that blue line is above zero, you can see this $41 of profit if it drops per trade. This is per trade, okay? And if Nvidia rallies, you can see the profits increase to a maximum of about 290. So when we take a look at the Greeks, this is what it looks like. Positive delta, because we are leaning bullish, 1.67. Okay. So the cost of our trades, you can easily do that by taking the debit, 68, since we bought 2 of these for the ratio of this. 68 times 2, 73 times 1, and this is how we get the cost of the trade per trade, right? You can position size and increase this however many you want, right? So 68 times 2 plus 73, a total of $209 per trade. So that is our trade cost, our risk that we are risking for this trade. So you can see that the max loss would be if Nvidia does not move and stays around $500. You can see that loss of 209 over here, 209. Okay. So comment below, what do you think will happen to Nvidia after earnings? And please smash that like button. It encourages us to continue making these videos for everyone. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of unusual options activity. If you're interested in this type of analysis that we do on better trades in the market, where there is more clarity with the data, because Nvidia is such a large stock that there's a lot of data to analyze. So it is not as clear in direction as other stocks that we detect and find the unusual options, where very, very unusual traders are trading. And those are a lot more clear in price direction, and we can trade along that and become very profitable doing so with this type of analyses and strategy. All right, if you're interested in that, where we share different stocks in the stock market for our members only, make sure to click the join button on our channel homepage. And as usual, have a great day, everyone, and good luck. Take care.